If you're currently casting to your Google Pixel tablet screen, as you can see, I am currently casting to mine. I'm watching a video on YouTube, and this means I'm controlling my screen from my device, and the effects are being seen on the screen because it is cast. So how do I stop a cast on to my Google Pixel tablet? So if my screen is being cast like that, I can either come to my phone or the device that I am casting from and tap on disconnect from here. I can tap on disconnect. Let me just show you that. And the screen is going to stop casting, but it's not going to disappear from that screen. And then I'll have to just tap again on stop screencast, and my device is no longer going to be casting to the Google Pixel tablet. So I'll show you another method to do that. If you want to stop casting from your Google Pixel tablet itself, with whatever you're doing on the current screen going on, what you can simply do is swipe down to access the quick settings panel, and then you will see this option, Android screencasting. And because it is currently casting, when I tap on this option, it's simply going to stop casting. As you can see, the video is still playing. Whatever I was casting from my screen is currently still happening on my screen, but it has stopped on my Google Pixel tablet. So those are the two ways you can use to stop casting on your Google Pixel tablet, or stop casting to your Google Pixel tablet. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions or comments down in the comment section below the video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.